Hi, my name is Adia.
And I'm Adia.
And this is Adia's Family Art Show. We will be drawing a volcano today.
Can I tell you something? I'm not really Adia. I'm dead.
Yeah. So, what do you need for this?
Paper, for sure.
Something to draw with and something to color with.
Perfect.
Let's get started. So first, I want you to draw like a line for the floor anywhere on your paper.
That's not a worm?
No.
Good.
Okay. Now I want you to pick a spot near the end, and I want you to draw like a little curve like that. And I want you to do the same thing on the other side.
How long does it have to be?
You can be short, you can be high, you can pick.
Cool.
Then I want you to connect it like that. There we go.
Kind of looks like a square, but you curve the bottom lines.
Now we will draw the smoke. I'm thinking like a little bomb like that, kind of. Like an explosion.
Right.
Now I'm thinking we'll do little S's kind of. So you want to draw your S, then copy it at the back kind of, so it's a bit 3D. You can color it in. You can do how many you want. I'm going to do 4 there. And then I'm going to do the lava.
Well, that's scary.
Yeah. Okay, after the lava is the bushes.
Bushes, right.
You want to draw just like some little bumps. You can add as many layers as bushes as you want.
Those kind of look like when you draw clouds, but only the top parts.
Yeah.
Perfect.
I like to do 2 layers of grass. And now I think maybe we should do a palm tree.
A palm tree? Have you ever seen a palm tree in real life?
Yes. Okay, so you want to draw a little curve there.
Mm-hmm.
Then you can make it as thick or long as you want. I like to get mine smaller as I go.
Mm-hmm. Doesn't really look like a tree right now, I'm not gonna lie.
And then you want to do like the same bumps as we did on this.
Right.
But a circle for the branches. And then you want to color it all in.
Color it all in. Okay, so you're using a pencil for this part.
Yes. Because volcanoes are kind of gray.
Right? No, that makes sense.
And this is pencil gray is like the perfect gray.
Right. It does look like a big rock.
We're gonna do that, and then for the smoke we can color gray too.
Mm-hmm.
Then color the little S's.
Are the little S's like steam coming off of it?
Yeah.
Perfect.
And then I'm gonna do this red for the lava.
Do you feel like the page is getting hotter?
Maybe.
I don't think so. I don't think there's any real lava on the pages.
So then you can draw your bushes.
Mm-hmm.
And if you want, after the show's done, you can make like a little background, like a sunset.
Oh, that's a nice idea. Like you could keep adding to the page if you wanted to.
Yeah. You could make get dinosaurs in the pictures. You can add some animals.
Oh, that's cool. I like the idea of a dinosaur.
So you're gonna color your bushes, and then we're going to color the tree.
Makes sense?
I'm gonna use a pencil for that part too.
Okay.
Make it look kind of old, gray.
Like a tree trunk?
And then I'm going to take my green again.
And now, is this the same green or a different green?
It's the same as the bushes.
Sure.
So we're gonna color our palm tree. And then we're gonna add a little face.
A face?
Yeah.
Love it.
We're gonna add a cute little face. So first you wanna erase some of the pencil part. Now for a little face, you wanna get the thing you were drawing with.
Yeah.
Make two little cute eyes. Then you want to color the rest in like that. Like that.
Cute.
And then you want to add a little smiley face.
I love it.
And that's how you make your volcano.
Amazing.
Thanks. Bye.